Hi guys, I'm Bella Lee. Today we are located at Rowland Heights and we are at this house. It's super beautiful. It has 2 bedrooms downstairs, which is rare. You can give them to the grandparents, and there is 2 bedrooms upstairs that you guys can live in. This house is really remodeled, and the roof is remodeled, the window is remodeled, the fireplace is remodeled, almost everything is remodeled. This house's price is $928,000. Come on in and let me show you a tour. We are at the living room right now. It's super beautiful and there is a TV. And the front yard, you can put a playground and you can enjoy the pool. Next, there is the kitchen. As you see the pool. The kitchen is super nice and big. The first bedroom. You guys can also use it as an office. And next to it is a restroom. Over here, there's another bedroom. Let me show you the upstairs. Upstairs, it's nice and simple. There is a restroom here, the master bedroom. There is a pool view right over here. Super nice. You can see your kids down there when you're upstairs. And next to it, there is another bedroom. There's also a built-in desk. Hope you guys like this house. This house is also located at Colima Road, and you can go anywhere you want. Again, the house price is $928,000, and hope you guys like this house. And if you really like it, you guys can go to RJ Realty, Ricky and Jesse Realty open house next Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4 p.m. Bye!